and welcome to the coverage of the Cannes Film Festival here on Prudent Media. Well, apart from films that are being screened here, there's lots of other things also happening. And one of the big things at the Cannes Film Festival is the film market, also known as Marché Film, where several countries and more than 300 stalls are there inside. Now, how big is it exactly? Let's go inside and find out. Beyond the glamour of the Cannes Film Festival, the real business of cinema unfolds at the Marché Film, the world's biggest film market held each year in Cannes. While stars walk the red carpet, thousands of producers, distributors, sales agents, and filmmakers gather here to buy, sell, and finance films. It's where scripts find investors, completed films secure distribution, and future collaborations take shape. The Marché stretches across the Palais, the Riviera Pavilions, and even nearby hotels, turning the city into one giant networking hub. Meetings happen everywhere. Formal pitches in offices, quick conversations over coffee, and unexpected deals in corridors. The film market is very well represented. Countries like Spain, Taiwan, Armenia. In fact, there are 140 countries and over 15,000 participants at this market.
Hello, my friends. We are now in the Cannes Film Festival in the market, and my name is Simone. I'm from China, from Beijing, and hopefully we can meet next year in Cannes because Cannes is so colorful, full of party and full of interesting people. And we do business here, and we negotiate about the future projects here as well. And I hope we got chance to cooperate in the near future. And me and my business partner, he's an Indian as well, and we're gonna do some cultural exchange activity between China and India. Hopefully you can join. See you!
And a Bhojpuri film is never too far away, even in Cannes. For many filmmakers, this is the most important side of Cannes. A debut project can find international backers. A small independent film can secure global release.
Hi, we're from Taiwan. This is a film called Don't Worry About Vampires. We are looking for international partners.
Many of the film's audiences discover months later began their journey here. More than a marketplace, the Marché reflects how cinema works globally, bringing together studios, streamers, festival programmers, and film commissions under one roof. And if you ever feel like taking a break from the meetings, there is always a cafe to serve you nice hot coffee. The red carpet may represent the dream of Cannes, but the Marché film is where the dream is funded, negotiated, and turned into reality.